Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Dressa Banro. I'm from Burkina Faso in West Africa. I'm a native French speaker. Welcome to Livereach University. Not to show off, but our institute is your one-stop destination for mastering the French language because in our institute we are very professional. So no matter where you are, our institute French language academy is based in Kota, Rajasthan, but we only provide online classes. But don't worry, our mission is to bring high quality, interactive, and engaging French language education right to your screen. So don't worry about that. So let us start this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to greet in French. Okay. But first of all, we have to know French. In French, there is two way of greeting. There is greeting, formal greeting, and informal greeting. Okay. Informal greeting, it is used to greet older people or someone you have just met or your employer, and informal is used to greet your family, your friend, or someone with you are close. Okay, so we can continue. So, like I was saying, the best way to start a conversation with absolutely anonym is to use an appropriate salutation. And for that, in French, we use good morning, which means in French, bonjour, bonjour. Okay. Good morning in French means bonjour, and good evening in French means bonsoir, bonsoir. Okay, but if you want to be more formal, you can add ma'am or sir. Okay, so for ma'am in French is madame, and sir in French is monsieur. If you want to say good morning, ma'am, in French, it will be bonjour, madame. And good morning, sir, in French, it will be bonjour, monsieur. Okay. Okay, now for informal greeting. For informal greeting, we use salut, which means hi in English. We use salut, which means hi in English. Or we also can use coucou, which means hey. Or coucou, which means hey. But both are same. You can use hi to say coucou. And you also can use hi to say salut. You can use hey to say salut. You can also use hey to say salut. Okay. Now, when you pick up a call in English, we say hello, but in French, we have to say allo, allo. Okay. In this step, we are going to learn how to say my friend in French. To say my friend in French is mon ami, mon ami. So if you want to say hi, my friend, it will be salut, mon ami. Hi, my friend, it will be salut, mon ami. And if you want to say hi, my friend, it is me. It will be salut, mon ami, c'est moi. Salut, mon ami, c'est moi. Or coucou, mon ami, c'est moi. Because c'est moi means in English, it is me. It is means in French, c'est moi. Okay? So if you want to say good morning, my friend, it will be bonjour, mon ami. And if you want to say good evening, my friend, it is me. It will be bonsoir, mon ami, c'est moi. Bonsoir, mon ami, c'est moi. To continue the greeting, if you want to ask someone, how is it going? It will be in French, comment ça va? Comment ça va? So if you want to say good morning, my friend, it will be bonjour, comment ça va? Okay, good morning. How is it going? It will be bonjour, comment ça va? Now, if you want to ask how are you, but before I translate that, we have to know in French, you can mean tu, and you also can mean vous. Okay, for that we are using to you because in French, when it is formal and informal is different. Okay, for formal, we have to use vous. Okay, for formal, we have to use vous or when it is a group of person. Now, for tu, it is when it is informal. Informal, when you are with your family or your friend. Okay, for when you are with someone who is older than you or a group of person, you have to use vous. Okay, we have to use vous. So, if you want to say how are you in informal form, it will be comment vas-tu? comment vas-tu? And in formal form, it will be comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Okay? Comment allez-vous? Okay? And comment vas-tu? This is informal. Comment vas-tu is informal. And comment allez-vous is formal. Okay? Now, if you have to answer, if someone asks you, how are you? If you want to answer in French, it will be je vais bien. Je vais bien. Okay? And if you want to ask and you, it will be je vais bien et toi. Je vais bien et toi. I'm fine and you. Okay? It will be I'm fine and you. And if you want to answer in formal form, it will be and vous, et vous. Okay? Et vous. This is formal form. Okay? And if you want to say I'm not doing well, you have to say je vais mal et toi. I'm not doing well and you. Je vais mal et toi. Okay? For formal is vous. Je vais mal et vous. And if you want to say I'm well, thanks, it will be ça va bien, merci. Okay? Ça va bien, merci. The last step of our lesson is how to say goodbye in French. Okay? To say goodbye in French is au revoir, au revoir. That means goodbye, which means until we meet again. If you know that you will never see the person again, use adieu, which means until God, to express a farewell. Okay, if you want to express a farewell until God mean until God, you have to use adieu in French. Adieu. Au revoir is until we meet again. Au revoir until we meet again, and adieu to express the farewell until God. Okay, we can also use salut to say bye in French, but this is informal. It's informal. Okay. And if you want to use a bientôt, it means see you soon. A bientôt is see you soon. And you can also use a plus tard if you know for sure that you will see someone in a matter of hour. Okay. If you know we are going to see someone in a matter of hour, you can use a plus tard in French. A plus tard. And if you want to say good night in French is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Okay. So at the end of this video, I want to tell you that whatever you are preparing for DELF test or DELF exam, looking to boost your career or simply posing a question for French, we have got you and cover it with online classes tailored to your needs. Okay, so you can contact us on a number on a phone number in the description. So don't forget to subscribe now and join a community of learning breaking language barrier. Okay, so I hope to see you. So can say au revoir.